Most people think that treating your birthday like a normal day means you don't care, you're antisocial, or you're emotionally distant. But psychology says the truth is far more interesting and way more powerful. People who don't make a big deal out of their birthday often share rare psychological traits that most others don't even notice. And today, we're breaking down the real reasons behind this quiet behavior. 1. They don't attach their worth to special events. For many, birthdays feel meaningful because they want to feel appreciated or celebrated, but some people don't need that boost. Psychologists call this low external ego dependence. Their identity isn't shaped by how loudly people celebrate them. It's built from who they are every day. To them, a birthday isn't a measurement of value. It's just Tuesday, 2. Their brain rejects forced emotions. Birthdays come with a silent script. Act excited, be cheerful, enjoy attention, celebrate. But for certain personalities, forced excitement feels uncomfortable and mentally draining. They prefer genuine emotions over socially expected ones. So keeping the day normal protects their mental energy. 3. They think in terms of growth, not celebration. While others pop balloons and cut cakes, these individuals quietly enter annual reflection mode. Psychologists call this temporal self-awareness, the ability to zoom out and view your life from a deeper perspective. It's not sadness, it's introspection. Instead of let's party, their brain goes, where am I headed? What did this year teach me? What do I want next? To them, reflection feels more meaningful than celebration. 4. They don't enjoy being the center of attention. Not because they're shy, not because they lack confidence, but because their nervous system doesn't crave spotlight moments. Being the focus can subtly activate social monitoring. Are people expecting something from me? Do I look excited enough? Am I doing this right? A quiet day removes all that noise. 5. Genuine connection matters more than rituals. A heartfelt conversation on a random day means more to them than 200 happy birthday messages posted out of obligation. Psychology calls this value-driven social bonding, where the meaning matters more than the moment. To them, relationships aren't defined by dates. They're defined by depth. 6. They prefer emotional stability over emotional peaks. The brain naturally avoids emotional highs if it knows they trigger emotional crashes later. Even positive attention can feel overstimulating. So keeping the day calm isn't them being distant. It's them maintaining emotional balance. It's self-regulation, not indifference. 7. They don't see birthdays as identity markers. Some people feel older, different, or more important on their birthday. Others don't feel any internal shift, so the day doesn't hold symbolic weight. Their mind measures growth through actions, not dates, through habits, not traditions. That's a rare psychological trait called continuous self-evaluation. If you treat your birthday like a normal day, you're not weird. You're not cold. You're not emotionless. Your psychology leans toward independence, authenticity, and emotional depth, traits most people spend years trying to develop. And that makes you far more self-aware than you realize. If you want more psychology videos that explain your hidden behaviors in ways no one ever has, hit that subscribe button, because the next video might reveal another part of your mind you've never noticed.